Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today I'm gonna talk about replace and split. Okay. So here what we are doing is we will take an example. Especially we will take an example of a trading symbol, or we can say as in spot or any of the symbol required in equity or commodity. Okay. So you can take any of these things. Okay. Especially I required this in option chain, okay, to get the price of the required with the help of an ATM or ATM or something, whichever I can start with it. Okay, so I can utilize that stuff. Okay, so now what happens is, suppose if I get with the bank nifty. Okay, so if you know that I've already given this example, so if you get with the bank nifty, there will be a bank nifty means a symbol will be there which is recognized with all of the option chain. Okay, the next come with the year, then month, and then it comes with the especially with the date. Okay, if it is monthly expiry, okay, you have to give June, July, like that. Okay, so you don't have to give any kind of a date, only you can give July and June or whatever the month is there, okay, in a string. Now this create a kind of unnatural things while you are writing the code. If it is the same, you can do it easily as possible, because you need to shift in the end with a different kind of a string variable. Instead of giving a month or date, you just have to give string, so it might be right kind of a complex things will occur. Okay, so to avoid these things, we can utilize replace and split. So I'm gonna show you how you can do. First of all, we will take the example. Okay, so if I check with the date, so 14 will be Wednesday and expiry will be there, so we can take it out 14. Okay, and the price is running around 50,484 is running. Okay, so we can take as 50,500. okay, like that we can go. So it will be plus 50,500 we can go. Okay, and we will choose as a C. Okay, CP, whichever you want. So in this, what happens, you can give an example as a spot and later on you can change it. How to do this stuff? Okay, I'll show you. So what happens, we were talking about what are the methods are there. First method will be replace. Okay, so replace parenthesis if you utilize, so you can take it out this plus. Okay, so you can, like, you can add as to take it out this plus, so it will help. So this is how you can utilize. The next, in what happens, split will be there. Okay, so now if you tell as an instead of split, just you just tell them that need to be split as in plus. Okay, it will, like, take it out all of the plus and give you a list. Okay, so what happens, so suppose if I say replace, so what it will gonna do, it will remove all of the plus signs. Okay, so just take it out. Okay, so this will be helpful to what, like, whatever the symbols are there. So suppose I'm unable to recognize, okay, and I want to give an input. Okay, so this will be the best. So if I just split it out, means, like, if I just say plus plus plus, okay, so it will get like, as kind of a join is also there. Okay, but while reading the see, if I give this as a plus in a Python, it will already add each and everything. Okay, and in between also I can give it whatever I want. Okay, but if you read it through CSV or any kind of external files, okay, if you give it plus, it won't recognize, it will recognize as a whole in a string format. Okay, to avoid these things, you can utilize replace and split. Okay, now replace, what it will do, it will remove the plus sign. So replace and split, it is not for, like, taking out all of the things. Okay, just will help you for other stuff as well. Okay, replace, what happens, say whatever you recognize as a strike price, it will take the strike price and you can, like, implement for this. So suppose if I say split, what happens, it will give you as a list. Okay, which I will show you in my program what it will do. Okay, as of example I'm giving you. So this is what it will gonna do. It will replace all of the plus with in a comment with all of the strings. We divided each and everything. Okay, so that's what it will gonna do. Okay, so we will see this stuff. So this is how it will be there. So main focus is ours. So suppose if we got our expiry and each and everything, we required strike price and CP need to be changed. Okay, this can be constant. Okay, but this need to be changed, strike price and C, so that we can opt it out. And in replace, what happens, first of all we have to take it with the split. So if I say split, and after recognition, if I say that from the list value, whatever the variable is there, if I say -1, what it will give, it will give you C. And next I want price. So for that reason I need to definitely have to utilize this split. So then only it will create a list for me. Okay, so instead of repeating each and everything and give it in a list or this one, this will be the best method. So replace and split is the best one to go with it. Okay, so we'll see this in example. So right now I will take it out some of the code as well. Okay, so if you don't have an account, check link in the description, open an Fires account, and you can visit Fires Profit Radar, where several examples are given how to generate access token and how you can take the price. Okay, so I've been already given how you can take the price and a number of things by taking historical data, each and everything. Okay, so as of right now, what I'm looking for is the point where I can take it out the last price. Okay, so I've already given in the previous version of my the last price. Okay, so I just show you a simple method which you can get all of your LTP. So this is the last price which I'm looking for. So I just need to copy paste and it will do the wonder. Okay, so all of the things which is available in my website as a code and video. Okay, so if you're looking for the code, I will, for this also I will give you link in the description, and save I have done for my videos also, so you can check in my channel whatever the videos are there. Definitely link will be there and code will be there. If it is not there, if you follow from the video, it will be helpful. Okay, so that is you can utilize. Okay, so let's move to our ID. Okay, and let's do this stuff. Okay, so before going to that part, we will see this stuff. Okay, so first of all, what the option chain I have already. Okay, if I want to get with a greater than or lesser than, which I can go for it. As of right now, what I'm doing is like 50,500 I'm looking for, and 310 rupees is a premium or LTP I just want. As I suppose if I want to get with a low premium, same I can do. I can just put a for loop and do this stuff. Okay, so do remember 310 rupees I need to achieve. If I get this stuff, then it is best. Okay, so let's go with it. So just place this stuff. What happens, I'm not worried about this. Okay, so especially like first of all we will code each and everything, then we will gonna say for other stuff. Okay, so we have done this stuff. Now first of all we will utilize this replace and split. Okay, so whatever the things I've done, so first of all I'll give you a variable name which will be like spot, and in the next I will definitely gonna say as a banknifty, and with year we know the month and the date 14th plus 50,500 plus C will be there. Okay, so this is, and I need to if I replace with the spot symbol. Okay, so if I say as a spot symbol, okay, so we can do it at the end, just replacing the plus sign, it will be help. So before getting into the replace, I will go with the split. So just to show you how we can ask for certain things as recognizing them as a list, and then at whatever I'm looking for as a strike price or CP, so that is also I'm going to show you. So if I just print this spot, the split, I will get this stuff. So let's see this, what I'm getting here. So if I split, I will get a list. Okay, so if you can see this stuff, so this is the thing which I got. So it is easy to recognize now. If it is in list, what we can do, if I ask whether it is CP, just I have to give a list at the end, whatever it is there, instead of like giving as like what numbers are there. If I don't know, I just have to give from the last start, like 1 2 or like that. If you give -1, okay, it will give me the C, what is like CP, so I can recognize, and according to that I can like define a function and can formulate whatever I want. Same thing I'm looking for strike price as CEP. So what I can do, I can just say C, and if I print, I will get this 5500 like that. Okay, so in this case what happens is, suppose if I want to jump the split at like forward level, so I just have to say 100. Okay, so if I say this stuff, okay, maybe I just have to say one more thing, that is I have to say the int. So that is how I can move this stuff. Okay, and if I say control B, so 50,600. okay, now if I got this stuff, so I can utilize the replace. So I'll show you how I'm gonna replace this stuff. So what I'm talking about, say suppose if I got this what to be replaced, so spot dot say split is definitely it is there, but I have to replace with all of the string is there, so I need to recognize that as well. Okay, now I got this, I need to replace with that stuff. Okay, so spot dot replace, and what we can do, we definitely can name the spot. I mean, I can recognize, and I need to change the stuff. So what we can do, say instead of this spot dot split at plus of -2, so this is I can add. Okay, and if I just put this comma, okay, so this is how it will be easy. Okay, so if just need to check everything is right, so +100 will be there, and I believe to give one more thing. Okay, so this if I'm not mistaken, I definitely get things which I'm looking for. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, so I'm getting error, so I need to check where I am doing the. So if spot is, I already took it, so what I'm doing, this split will be there now, which I'm recognizing, so -2 like this will be. So if int what I have to do, say the spot split will be there, so -2 I got. Okay, and with this is recognized as an int. Okay, and then plus that I have been added. So I hope this is I got. I have to put one more this, I don't think so. Okay, it is should be a string, so I believe we can say them as a string as well. So now it will definitely can give me what I'm looking for. So this 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 3 and 4th print. Let's see this. It was never closed. Okay, so I think we got this 50,600, and we got this replace as well. Now what happens, one more replace, see one more thing which will come is like you can utilize one more replace stuff. Okay, so this is also the beauty of replace. Okay, so if I say this, originally what I will do, I not it should be not in this under. Okay, so replace should be recognized. Okay, if I'm not missing any kind of a bracket, I definitely get things which I'm looking for. Okay, so this is what I got. So these are the stuff you can do. Okay, but what I'm doing, I'm just looking for simple, as you know, the price which we are looking for should match. Okay, so this all we can do. Okay, and we can check the price, not matters. Okay, now what we can do, so 50,600, we can check it out, no problem. Okay, and we will match with the price. Now you just open each and everything. Okay, okay, so now what we can do, say we can go with simple. One more thing, I have to add this path name as well. Okay, so simplicity is that we can say we can get this stuff. We just click this one, we will get this URL, so it is enough for us. I think I'm already saving each and everything in there, then and there itself. Okay, so just paste and say read as an R. Okay, and our API ID and access token is already there, which have been already generated. So the only thing is I have to do is like I have to use this stuff. Okay, and same read, and the next time same give it. Okay, so we got each and everything, and we definitely get a last price, and we will try to match. Okay, so our spot is converted. Okay, so one more thing, I think I'm definitely making a mistake here. I have to say the spot for this stuff. Okay, so if I have to say spot spot symbol, okay, I can say this is a spot symbol, and we will take it out the last end of this parenthesis closed. We will take it out, and here I have to change the symbols. Okay, so that is you have to recognize, and I believe what happens here, you have to put the NSE as well, so it will be NSE is 2. Okay, and yeah, just give it. Okay, what I have to give, you have to give as a spot symbol. Okay, now we are great and we are good to go. So just a control B. Yes, we are making some mistake. What is that? It is telling that we are not able to get what we are looking for. So is it something wrong? Fires app ID and access token is great. I'm reading out. Okay, fast version 3. Okay, don't forget. So it is just simple. So previous version, whatever it is there, you just have to give version 3. Okay, and you can utilize, you will be able to utilize this previous version of Fire's code as well. Okay, so that you need to check it out. So we got our 265, so we will match it up. That is 50,600. So do remember. Okay, so let's go with it. So what you have to do, what we got the file 50,600, so 265. So we got our things what we are looking for. Okay, now say suppose if I want to get the last price, so I got this stuff. Now say suppose the split is there now, so plus 100 200 like that I can add up. So what I can do, I can give the things which as much as possible. Okay, and I try to get the required symbol of the last price. So I just give it a loop and I get it the price which I'm looking for, the premium. Okay, so this is how you can try. I mean, you just got the stuff and you can do. So if you are not dealing with the CSV file, what you can do, you just give it this stuff, and here what you can do, you just put a join method where you are just utilizing, give it a variable and change it in a loop. So that is also can be done. Okay, but I think if you are utilizing any kind of a input such as Excel file or CSV file, so I think this will be the best method. Okay, so do try. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me by WhatsApp. Thank you.